I really hate to announce this. Go look and see if your song has been taken down. But I just saw a news report and I feel so bad right now. There's terrible. So apparently Spotify removed over 750,000 songs from artists who are buying fake views, or, which is the bigger problem, the reason I'm making this video for you guys, anybody who used a marketing company or a promotional company who buys fake views. And like I told you guys in numerous videos, 99% of the Spotify companies out there, they're buying you fake views and fake streams. If they ever say they can guarantee you an amount of streams, it's fake, because you can never guarantee that ever. And most of you buy it because it looks like there's a guarantee. So if you bought fake Spotify streams or used a fake company, which you probably did, your songs are probably already removed. Your songs are probably already removed from Spotify and you didn't realize it yet, or they're about to get removed here soon. This is why I tell you guys, and I always tell you, don't go to promo companies and buy Spotify streams. I could have made millions of dollars from you guys. Look, 333,000 subscribers. You guys think I couldn't have started a Spotify company and just been buying you guys fake streams the whole time, made millions of dollars? That's completely against my morals. That's why I never did it. But I see tons of other people selling you guys Spotify streams. Tons of big people that I knew were pretty fake as soon as I saw that they were selling Spotify services. I get so many emails every day. I get so many screenshots from artists saying, Is this a scam, Rob? Is this a scam? And it's not even the Spotify stuff. It's just I'm tired of artists getting screwed over because they don't know any better. And what sucks about the whole Spotify situation is I can't even tell if it's real or not until you test it. And even then you can't really tell, because most people that are buying the Spotify stream stuff for you are really good and know how to do it because they've done it enough to learn how to do it. But now it's screwing everyone. So they learn how to do it. Everybody started buying their stuff and it was all fake, and they realized it was all fake. You wasted your money. They pocketed all your hard-earned money so you could look like you had fans, but you didn't. This pisses me off, man. I'm sorry for anybody that this happened to. I mean, it's the middle of my day. I'm working on other stuff right now, and I'm just like, I just had to shoot this video really quick. So I'm sorry if this happened to you guys. Don't use Spotify streaming companies. Do your own legwork. Do your own homework. Go get yourself on your own playlist. Go figure out which ones are the real ones, which ones are the fake ones. And if you use DistroKid simply because of this happening, and you guys know I recommend DistroKid. I use DistroKid. Were my songs removed? No, because I don't buy fake streams. Obviously, otherwise it's been removed, right? Even though I do recommend DistroKid, usually, if you're not sure and you do plan on continuing to buy Spotify services from somebody that you feel like you trust, just in case, I highly recommend you switch over to something else, okay? I'm not gonna say any specifics here. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry if this happened to you. I can only imagine how it feels to have something with, you put your heart and soul into, and you got real views too, obviously, right? You got real streams, and then it gets taken down like that. Because I know how much work it takes and how much energy you put into the song, into the video, even if it was a lyric video, and promoting it and put your energy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, girls. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. Like, I don't usually feel like bad. I'm just not, but I feel the pain of this. 750,000 songs got taken down. I was looking at screenshots of bands being like, how am I supposed to continue with my music? Like, I have no numbers now. I'm like, oh my God, imagine. Basically looking like you had to restart because it doesn't look like you have anybody listening to your music because you have no songs up. Now, for anybody that this happened to, there are ways to re-upload your music to Spotify, but it seems that that's actually causing an issue too, right? Because there's a way to re-upload your music to Spotify under the same UPC and your song will go right back up, but this is seeming to not really be something that's possible. So it's almost like you're gonna have to start from scratch. I'm so sorry. I don't even want to be the bearer of bad news, guys. Not that it's my fault, by the way. It's not my fault. The people who are scamming you's fault, who are buying you fake streams. I'm just feeling bad because if this happened to me, especially when I'm on a come up working as hard as you guys, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna apologize for like 7 minutes in this video, so I'm just gonna let y'all get to it. Go look on Spotify. Go see if your stuff was taken down. You'll keep hustling. Maybe there's something. There's always blessings in things, right? So look for the silver lining. Maybe those songs. Maybe you could do better. Maybe you have better music for 2021. Like, think about the positive. Like, you know what? No, screw it. I didn't like that song anyway. I'm gonna put the new music up for 2021, and I'm gonna hustle in 2021, and I'm gonna do this right this time. I'm gonna learn how to do the marketing. I'm really gonna do the strategies. I'm gonna learn how to run Instagram ads, Facebook ads, story swipe up ads, Reddit ads. I'm gonna learn how to do these things and really get people to my music, which is what you guys should have done. And most artists don't do these things. And I understand because you just want to be an artist. But you guys gotta understand, also it's 2021. You gotta put the work in yourself. If you learn how to do it, you'll never have to pay another promo company again. You do it yourself. I have major songs releasing. Major, like the biggest songs of my career. Am I paying any promo companies? No. Just go put the work in. Research marketing. You're gonna need it for your career if you want to get yourself heard, okay? I'm done apologizing over and over again, but good luck. Make new music. Put new music up. Take over 2021, all right? I got you back. I believe in you. And I'm sorry. I just keep saying so bad. stop paying these fake people. If they say they can give you a guaranteed amount of streams, it's a lie. And I see people out there that are big, who are artists, and they're big YouTubers, and they're selling Spotify streams, and I'm just looking like, this is fake, but I can't say anything because it's not worth my energy. It's like throwing a rock at somebody. I'm gonna have to fight them, even though I'm gonna stomp the shit out of them in person, over the internet. It's not worth my energy to start a fight with somebody because my energy needs to be going into my own stuff. So it's like, you can't just call somebody out because it could pursue legal action. And while I would win the legal action because I can prove the stuff's fake, I would have to go to court, I have to pay lawyers, and I don't get that money back. It's not, you see all the energy, it's not worth. But I always tell you guys, bottom line, don't buy Spotify streams from a company that's not like legit. Like, stop buying them from these. All right, I'm done. I just feel bad. I'm gonna get back to work. Hey, I got love for y'all. I'm sorry if this happened for you. I'm sorry if this happened to you, but at the same time, positive mindset. Maybe it happened for you. All right? Stay positive and keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top, and I'll keep you updated on this, all right? All right, keep hustling.
Level. Ooh, I would've thought by now that I'd be way past these days. By now that my top be down on my brand new black Mercedes. Thought I would've made it by now. 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 Working 9 to 5, saving to survive. Pay the bills.